We have a soft spot for quirky vintage cars, don't we? Here's a gem from Audi, specifically Auto Union. Known internally as the Type 52, this Schnellsportwagen, or fast sports car, was intended to be a road-ready version of the 1930s Type 22 Grand Prix race car. It was designed to feature a 16-cylinder engine producing over 200 horsepower with a top speed of 125 miles per hour, positioning it among the fastest cars of its time. Regrettably, this incredible supercar never progressed beyond the design stage. The Auto Union Type 52 project was discontinued by 1935, just before World War II. However, Audi has revived this historic model for the 2024 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Audi enlisted Crosthwaite and Gardner, a company specializing in historic race car manufacturing, to recreate the Auto Union Type 52 from scratch. Using original sketches and blueprints, they custom-made everything from the chassis and body panels to the engine. The project, which began in early 2023, took over a year to complete. Under the hood, or rather the rear deck, is a mid-mounted, supercharged 16-cylinder engine similar to the one intended for the original car. This version features a 6.0-liter motor instead of the original 4.4-liter engine. Audi also boosted the power from an estimated 200 horsepower to an impressive 512 horsepower, paired with a manual transmission. To accommodate the new engine and chassis, Audi had to enlarge the car's dimensions. The Type 52 now has a 130.5-inch wheelbase, compared to the original's 118.0 inches, and weighs 3,196 pounds, whereas the original would have weighed 2,666 pounds. Inside, the car features a 3-seat layout reminiscent of the McLaren F1, but predating it by 60 years. Audi maintained a retro look with old-school cloth seats, lacquered wood paneling, and large vintage-style gauges. This stunning one-off isn't just for show. Audi will actually run the Type 52 concept at this year's Goodwood Festival of Speed, with Le Mans record winner Tom Christensen and Hans-Joachim Streitzel stuck behind the wheel. We can't wait to see it in action.